Thank you for your interest in Digestive Disease Week. This brief video will show you how to submit an abstract for the 2025 meeting. The deadline to submit an abstract for DDW 2025 is 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, December 5th, 2024. This is the Thursday after the U.S. Thanksgiving holiday. To submit an abstract, visit ddw2025.abstractcentral.com. Returning users may log in with their ID and password, while new users should click the Create an Account link. For password assistance, click the Forgot Password link. If you're logging into the submission site for the first time, you may be prompted by a pop-up message to complete your financial disclosure. Click OK to proceed to the disclosure form. You'll now see the disclosure page, where you'll need to answer all questions marked by a red asterisk. Then click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. To begin your abstract submission after you've completed your disclosure, click the Submission option in the top left corner of the screen. Next, click Create New Submission. You'll now need to choose a submission type. Select the appropriate sponsoring society and abstract type by clicking on the radio button. Then, click the blue Continue button at the bottom of the screen. You'll now be asked to enter your abstract title. Titles are limited to 255 characters and must be entered in all caps. Use the formatting options to add subscript or superscript as needed. Abstract bodies are limited to 2,900 characters. At the bottom of the screen, you'll also have the opportunity to upload up to 2 images or tables per abstract. On the next screen, you'll be asked to complete several questions about your abstract, like science type, and to also select an abstract submission category and subcategory. All questions marked by a red asterisk are required. When complete, click the Continue button at the bottom of the page. You'll now be able to add co-authors to your abstract. Please note that consortia or other group names are not permitted on abstract strings. Only individual author names may be included. To add an author, click the Add Author button. You'll now want to search to see if your co-author already has an account at the submission site. Enter a first name, last name, or email address, and click the Search button. Search results will then appear. If your search resulted in an author you want to add, simply click the Add option to the left of the person's name. If your search did not result in the correct author, you can create a new account for your co-author by clicking the Create an Author button. In the pop-up window, enter the author's name and email address. When complete, click Submit Created Author to add the author to your abstract. Once you have entered all of your co-authors, you can use the Drag option or the Author Order buttons to reorder the list if needed. You can also remove an author by clicking the Remove option next to the author's name. Be sure to confirm who is listed as the presenting author. After you finalize your author string, you'll have the opportunity to review your abstract before submitting. Any required fields that still need attention will be marked by a red Incomplete button. Edit any section of your abstract by clicking on that Edit button. When you're ready to submit, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Complete Payment button. You'll now be able to enter your payment information. Be sure to allow pop-ups in order for the payment page to display properly. You can also use the Tab key to advance fields if needed. Upon successful submission of an abstract, you'll see a green confirmation message at the top of the page. Also, upon successful submission of an abstract, an email confirming the submission will be sent to the submitting author and the presenting author. New for the 2025 meeting, only presenting authors are required to submit financial disclosure. The deadline for presenters to submit their disclosure is 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, December 5th. Abstracts missing presenting author disclosures at the December 5th deadline are in jeopardy of being involuntarily withdrawn and not considered for presentation at DDW 2025. Submitted abstracts can be edited anytime through the December 5th submission deadline. To edit a submitted abstract, you must first return it to draft status by using the drop-down next to the abstract title and selecting Edit Return to Draft. Your abstract will now be available for editing. Once you've completed your edits, be sure to resubmit your abstract before the December 5th submission deadline. Any abstract that is in draft status as of the deadline will not be considered for presentation at DDW 2025. There's no fee to return an abstract to draft status and then resubmit. For technical assistance at the abstract submission site, contact ScholarOne Customer Support. For program-related questions, contact DDW Administration. Thank you again for your interest in DDW 2025.